Hey boys and girls, it is time for some math. This week we are going to be talking about decomposing. What does decomposing mean? Do you remember? What does it mean if you decompose a number? We've talked about it in my class. Decomposing is when you have a group, a whole group, and then you break it apart, and that's what we're trying to do. Is that we're going to look at some numbers and we're going to decompose those numbers, and we are going to break those numbers apart into two smaller groups. Okay, so the numbers that we're going to use for this are our teen numbers. And remember, teen numbers are numbers that start with a 1, and that 1, really what that 1 equals is a group of 10. Okay, so we have the number 11, 12, 13, 14, we have 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And you'll notice all of these numbers start with a 1, but that 1 isn't a 1 like a single, but that is a group of 10. And then they all have some extra ones. So 11 has 1 extra one, and 12 has 2 extra ones, and 13 has 3 extra ones, 14 has 4 extra ones, 15 has 5 extra ones, 16 has 6 extra ones, 17 has 7 extra ones, 18 has 8 extra ones, and 19 has 9 extra ones. So we're just going to take a few of these numbers and we're just going to decompose them, or we're going to break them apart. So let's start with this number. So what is this number? Yes, this is the number 15. If I were to take the number 15 and I were to break it apart, what 15 tells me is that I have one group of 10 and I have 5 extra ones. So what I really have is 10 plus 5, and that equals 15. Or sometimes people might say this is 10, 5, which is what this number is, one group of 10 and 5 extra ones. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, that is the number 19. Good job. Okay, if I break 19 apart, I have one group of 10, which is what this number tells me right here, and I have 9 extra ones. So I have 10 plus 9, and that equals 19, or we say 10, 9. Awesome. So that is decomposing, or breaking the number apart. Here is another one. What is this number? Good, this is the number 13. So if we break the number 13 into two parts, we have 10 and 3. One group of 10 and 3 extra ones. And that's what this number tells us. One group of 10 and 3 extra ones. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. So remember, decomposing numbers, and we're working on those teen numbers, numbers that start with a 1, which represents a group of 10 and has some extra ones. Get ready, because now you're going to practice this in our favorite game, Time to Climb.